Hello everyone, welcome, and month of June is around the corner. We have some really exciting events happening in month of June, and I wanted to update you and invite you to some of these events in our various communities. First of all, it is the month of my birthday, so it's my birthday month and also my daughter's birthday. So it's very special in our family, month of June. Second of all, we have the Kurdish Cultural Gala Night on June 24th. My birthday is 22nd, so you're invited for a special gala dance. And if you are in business, real estate agents, financial agents, any type of services that would be needed by a community of 17 years right now. I am just joining the Kurdish community to help them spread the message, but the community is already built. We have 7,000 members in GTA, and over 500 to 1,000 of them will be at the event on June 24th at the Armenian Community Center, which is right on Yonge and Victoria Park, very accessible to everybody. The other thing is that we have also other announcements regarding government collaboration and contracts. Those of you who are in business, who have various businesses and you want to get contracts with the government, we have a team of experts who will lead you to the right people, decision makers, and help you in getting the contracts that you need. Also on the Kurdish side, now in Kurdistan front, we have gotten the approval to actually bring in 50 intellectual members of parliament and other dignitaries for an official trip to Canada to visit the government of Canada, to spend a day in Queen's Park in Toronto, to have a trip to Niagara Falls, and to come to the Kurdish house and get introduced to our community here. So those 50 members, up to 50, and have to qualify. And if you need more information about any of these projects, the last project that I'm going to tell you that's very special, dear and near to my heart, with my friend Frank Russo, we're building a studio in Sudbury, his hometown, with projects, about 20 projects that are right now at hand. We're looking for investors. If you're an investor, you want a solid investment for 1 year, or even partner up with the company, we have global reach. Our offices are in Toronto and Vancouver, and we have access to the US market and various distributions to Hollywood experts. So if you're looking for an investment or a project that you need to put your effort in and love what you do, contact us. We have information also about our camel company of Canada, in which I'm really proud of our team in Mongolia, and we are launching our factory in September to be able to make exquisite, beautiful camel heel products and also cashmere products for ladies. All of you who like warm, nice, beautiful shawls, make sure you check out www.camelheel.com and expect some other great products and services to be announced in the month of June. The Kurdish Gala Night is very special to me. I'm hosting it, and I'm also inviting those of you who want to be sponsors to contact me, because there's an opportunity that you can become a member and also participate in other events like the September Kurdish Festival in Lastman Square. So a lot of events happening. Stay tuned, like, share, and please reach out to me if you need help with any of the announcements that I made today. Thank you and have a wonderful week.